Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Mahone Bay is a small coastal town located on Nova Scotia's south shore in Lunenburg County, about 1 hour southwest of Halifax. The town is famous for its picturesque waterfront, historic architecture, and the 3 churches that stand prominently along the shoreline. With a population of roughly 1,000 residents, Mahone Bay is one of the province's best-known small towns and a popular destination for visitors exploring Nova Scotia's coast. The area has a long history that predates European settlement. The Mi'kmaq people lived and traveled throughout the region for thousands of years before European arrival. French settlers later established communities along the south shore, followed by German, Swiss, and British settlers during the 18th century. The town itself was officially incorporated during the 19th century as the community continued to grow around its sheltered harbor. The origin of the name Mahone Bay is often linked to the French word mahon, a type of vessel reportedly used by pirates who may have visited the bay centuries ago. While stories of pirates remain part of local folklore, the harbor's protected waters certainly made it an attractive location for sailors, fishermen, and merchants throughout the region's history. Shipbuilding played a major role in Mahone Bay's development. During the 19th century, the town became an important center for wooden ship construction. Local shipyards built vessels that traveled throughout the Atlantic world, supporting trade and commerce. Timber from nearby forests supplied the growing shipbuilding industry and helped establish the town as an important economic center on Nova Scotia's south shore. Fishing also contributed significantly to the local economy. Generations of residents earned their living from the waters of Mahone Bay and the Atlantic Ocean beyond. Lobster, groundfish, and other marine resources supported families and businesses throughout the area. While commercial fishing remains important in the surrounding region, the economy today is much more diversified. Modern Mahone Bay is known for tourism, retail businesses, professional services, healthcare, education, construction, and marine industries. Tourism plays a particularly important role, with visitors arriving throughout the year to experience the town's scenery, shops, restaurants, and cultural events. One of the town's most recognizable landmarks is the trio of waterfront churches that have become symbols of Mahone Bay. Although they were built at different times and served different congregations, their location along the harbor has made them one of the most photographed scenes in Nova Scotia. The churches contribute significantly to the town's historic character and identity. Mahone Bay is known for its commitment to preserving its historic buildings and small-town atmosphere. Many homes and commercial buildings date back to the 19th and early 20th centuries. Walking through town provides a glimpse into Nova Scotia's maritime past while showcasing carefully maintained heritage architecture. Housing prices in Mahone Bay have risen significantly in recent years due to strong demand and limited supply. Average home prices generally range from $600,000 to $900,000, although waterfront homes, historic properties, and larger residences can sell for considerably more. The town's coastal setting and quality of life continue to attract buyers from across Canada. Today, Mahone Bay combines a rich maritime history with a vibrant modern community. Its historic harbor, beautiful coastline, thriving local businesses, and welcoming atmosphere have made it one of Nova Scotia's most admired small towns. The town continues to preserve its heritage while embracing new opportunities, making it a distinctive destination on Canada's Atlantic coast. Thanks for watching!